What's good, audio files? So here's how I made controller, and I started with a plug sound that's from Harmless. Cool, and then I had to layer it with another plucky sound from Harmless too. I had to layer the same chord progression with another sound from Harmless. It's kind of plucky, and it sounds like this. It was just kind of pitched up a little bit, I guess. So I added another layer of the same chord progression, and it sounds like this. So this kind of has a bit of like delay to it. Should be like, I don't know if it's a 1/2 or 1/3 delay. When it kicks in, it's pitched down. Cool, right? So we have our bass line. This sounds cool already. That's, to me, that was enough for, the bass line melody, and it was, filled up. It wasn't empty. The frequencies were in clashing, and I liked it. So I proceeded to adding the next element. Now is the sugar, I think. Let me play this. So next I added the vocal sample. I wanted a vocal sample that went like, and yeah, I had that same like melody, that same like vocal sample, So I had to record it and pitched it a little bit up, just messed around with the pitch, and I had this. Cool, right? So when we play it in context of the bassline melody, it sounds like this. So then I proceeded to add in some, a little bit of percussion just to get the afro rhythm in. So it goes like this, and then it sounds like this. So it's pretty much just a snap and a finger snap, and yeah, I think it's a rim shot. Yeah. So it's pretty much just a finger snap and a rim shot. We have this, I proceeded adding the other elements such as the drums, some transition, the tag, of course, hard in it. Yeah. So I added other instruments that are complementary to the track. For example, this flute. It goes like this. And the simple bass guitar progression that goes like. I added another instrument from Solaris Guitar. It's a cool plugin. And this is Ethera 6 guitar. It's a preset in Solaris Guitar Lite. Sounds like this. pitch down. Cool, right? So I made some vocal chops from the initial vocal sample that I recorded to create like some cool, altered vocal samples for their verses, and it sounds like this. Of course, there is a lot of routing and mixing that was going on in the mixer, but that's for another day. So now let's listen to the full beat in context of everything. Sounds like this. Enough space for the artist to sing. Right. That's what we want. And then I proceeded to recording the vocals, and this is the project. This is the beat on top. Here's how it sounds like.
You be like the sun up in the millions. Want me up, I know you wanna bit me on time. I'm the one you know you can be feeling on. Show your opinion, say be a billion. 1, 2, can I be honest now? Just to come through, show me the road right now. Guess I found you, watch me for we learn. I fell for you, girl. Don't push me so far, you know that I'm trying. I'm giving my word, you don't have to worry. I know the player, baby, can I show it?
So if you want to learn music production for free in FL Studio, please join my group. The link is in the description. I'll find it in the comments section pinned wherever you're watching this from. Peace out.